So guys, to factory reset your Acer Aspire laptop or just any Acer laptop on Windows, you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now once you're on this next to reset this PC, you want to click on reset PC. And now you could choose to either keep your files or remove everything. I recommend creating a backup before you do any of this. You can back up to an external hard drive or USB or something like that. You can choose either keep my files or remove everything. If you choose keep my files, it's going to remove your apps and settings, but it's going to keep your personal files. If you choose remove everything, it's going to remove all your personal files, apps and settings. So it's up to you. And now once this loads up, you could do either cloud download or local reinstall. Cloud download is going to download and reinstall Windows. Local reinstall is going to reinstall Windows from this device. It doesn't really matter what you go with. I'm just going to be going with local reinstall. And then you're going to click on change settings. And now we have some settings right here by default. For example, under clean data, it's just going to remove your files. This is quicker but less secure. If you change this to yes, it's now going to change. So instead, it's going to clean the drive. This may take hours, but it will make it harder to recover files. So basically, these are all the default settings. And if you click on yes, then the options are going to change. So you want to make sure that you're happy with all of this. Choose what you want. And then click on confirm. And then you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once this loads up, if you're happy with all of this, you want to click on reset. I'm not going to reset it myself, so I don't want to reset my computer. But if you're happy with all of this and what you've done so far, then click on reset, which will then reset your computer.